Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the Plugable USB power bank. This is a 12,000 milliamp 2.1 amp power pack. Now if you need a stupidly massive power pack, say you're going away for a convention for a weekend and you're going to need lots of external battery power, this could be the one for you. So it's a really nice green actually. We don't really see this kind of colour power bank, but this brings something new to the table. But it's very nice in presentation. And there's a few specs on the box as well, so you can charge either tablets, cell phones, your Wi-Fi devices, MP3 players, all those kind of USB gadgets you can take and charge on the go, so it makes it really easy. It actually doesn't weigh very much either. You may look at it and think because of the power it weighs a lot, but it's actually very good weight as well. It's not extremely heavy to carry or anything like that, which is nice. So you get power LEDs as you generally see on power banks, telling you how much battery you got left in there. Didn't take very long to charge either, which is a nice little bonus. Usually use like your kind of wall charger you get with your phone. That's how I charge mine. So on the bottom it shows a few specs on the DC power voltage. So there's a 10,000 milliamp hour output and also a 2,000 milliamp output depending on which USB you use. So in the box you get the actual battery itself. There's some protective sleeving on the actual battery itself just to protect it in transit, but it's got a lovely silver outline as well, like a silver bezel. Makes it look nicer than other kind of batteries you see. A manual and also a nice white USB cable to micro USB. Plugable logo at the top, clearly visible. In the kind of grand scheme of logos, it's actually quite a nice one that Plugable have. There's the LED status at the bottom there. You just press the power button once to engage it. And then on the bottom we've got the two USB ports, which you're obviously going to plug your devices into, and then the micro USB, which is where you're going to actually charge the device. And you can obviously plug in kind of whatever USB cables you want. If you're going to say use an iPhone one, just use that into the USB like you would with kind of any other USB device. But I do like the silver outline as well. I managed to get a good 3.5 charges from my Note 3, which is, a very high battery, and it's a big phone, so it takes a lot of charging. But an iPhone, you get a good 7 or 8 charges out of it, so you will get a lot. There you can see we're using two different phones to actually being charged at the same time. But one thing I did note was it did actually kind of give an electrical whine when it was charging. Now to my ear, I've got quite sensitive hearing, so this may be just me, but I did actually have to put it in a drawer when I was charging a device because it was quite audible. This may just be this one. I can't really confirm whether it's just for other units as well, or whether it's just the one I've got, but hopefully it's just this one. But overall, a great battery as well. I love the kind of the massive milliamp hour pack that it's got in there, so when you go away or on a convention, you've got loads of juice to last you the entire day, at least maybe a few, maybe even 3 days. If you want to get yourself one of these, all the links you need will be in the description box below. But thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this, please leave a like and consider a subscription, and we'll see you all again in the next video.